Well, everyone, iOS 26.5 has been out for some time now, and what's so crazy is that on the iPhone 11, this is actually kind of a very interesting update because in a lot of ways this is not really the best update ever, right? It obviously has issues and problems, but the main problem we're running into here is that on the iPhone 11, this is basically the oldest supported iPhone on this version of software, meaning if you were to go through and install any version of software here, you're going to be running into some sort of problems here on your iPhone 11 because it is the oldest supported device. So because of that, I really would not recommend going through and actually downloading iOS 26.5 on your iPhone 11 just yet. Now, what I would rather do and what I'd rather recommend for you to do is to actually go through and basically, still keep iOS 18 on your iPhone 11 if you have the opportunity to do so. Like if you have the capability, I would rather you just go through and install iOS 18 and or keep iOS 18 on your device rather than going through and installing iOS 26.5. Although it is the best version of iOS 26 so far, I have been experiencing some issues and a lot of other people have been experiencing some issues too on this version of software, and you are probably much better off going through and getting an actual good quality version of software like iOS 18 or 18.7.9 or 18.7.8 rather than going through and basically buying an iPhone, using an iPhone 11 on iOS 26.5. So in terms of that basically covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.